Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Porsche MAcan GT-S in jet black metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start over here at the back of the vehicle, let you have a look. So nice size trunk here on the MAcan. It's got LED lighting here on either side. It's got the nice privacy cover here. The seats do fold down flat for you. Below we've got the inflatable spare tire and the jack there. And then we've got a Bose box here as well. So we'll close that up. It does have power lift gate, so we'll press that button and we'll close the lift gate here. There it is. So it's got the black emblem package. So as you can see, the emblems are black on it. We've got dual exhaust there with the black tips. Looks great. We've got the reverse sensors built into the bumper, so it will beep if you get close to an item behind you. And then we also have the reverse camera up the top there as well. Sorry, maybe it's not up there. Sorry, yes, it's down here in the bumper. Great. So we'll just shift along the side here. We've got the rear wheel, so nice large tire on there. I think this is a 21. I'll just find the size here. Yep, there it is. So it's a 21-inch rim. I believe it's the Porsche 911 wheels that are on this as well. And we've got nice Windrun tires on there that look great. So here we are at the rear passenger door. So we've got the carbon fiber package. So it's got carbon fiber inlay. We've got the power windows there. We've got the Bose speaker and a nice pocket there in the door. We've got the Porsche rubber mats in the vehicle. And in the center, we've got rear heated seats and dual USB port, as well as temperature control there in the center. So I'll just scan up the seats here for you so you can see. Looks great. And over here we do have center armrest that folds out with 2 cup holders. Perfect. So we'll close up this side. Let's have a look in the front. So here we are in the front. Again, we've got the nice carbon fiber inlay, power locks. We've got 3 user memory for the front seat here. We've got our power windows. And then down here, we've got the carbon fiber MAcan GT-S kick plate, and then the nice Porsche rubber mats. It's got the 18-way power seat, and I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And then on the top, we've got GT-S embroidered into the front. And as I get in, just check out the door frame, nice and tidy. And let's have a look. So here's the glove box, so no books with this one. And then in the back there, we've got temperature control, so you can change the temperature of the glove box. We've got the nice carbon fiber inlay here on the dash, and have a look at the dash on this side. As you can see, it's in really good shape. So the top out, we'll close up this side. And then just note that it's got the black roof rails that go across as well. And have a look down the side here, looks great. Let's check out this mirror. So it's got an anti-dazzle mirror. So the mirror will dim. That's great. We've got the LED signal built into the mirror housing. And then here's your front wheel. So nice Porsche red calipers, 21-inch wheels, looks great. So here we are under the hood. So we've got the 3-liter V6 twin turbo engine, which is 360 horsepower, paired to the 7-speed automatic transmission. So as you can see, everything looks clean, looks good. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. Have a look from the front. So we've got the nice projector style headlights there, nice and bright. We've got LED daytime running lights below, and we've got fog lights down below there as well. It also has the front parking sensors, so it'll let you know if you're getting close to an item. In terms of issues, let's see, one little stone chip there, and there's one up here. So they're small, but they are there, so I do want to point them out, but we will touch them up for you. The car hasn't been polished or anything yet. This is how it's landed. It looks really good to start, but we'll make it look even better. So here's your driver's front wheel. Looks great, red calipers, nice 21-inch wheels, awesome. Same thing back here, looks great. And then here we are at the driver's rear door. So again, carbon fiber inlay, power windows, and the nice Bose stereo. And again, rubber mats. And have a look at the seat. Seat looks good. So we'll just close this side up. And here we are at the driver's side. So we've got 2 user memory and an exit button there. We've got power locks. Again, we've got the carbon fiber inlay there. We've got our power mirrors, power folding mirrors, trunk release, and power windows. Nice Bose stereo. And again, there's your MAcan GT-S carbon fiber kick plate, 18-way power seat. And I'll just scan up the seat here for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. And let's hop in and have a look. Check out the door frame there, nice and clean. We'll get in and fire this one up. So it's a keyless, so this part always stays in the ignition. There is a key, it's just on the windshield there. So I'll go ahead and start it. There it is running. We've got automatic headlights and we've got fog lights as well. And then our start button. Here we are running. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. We've got 41,648 kilometers on it. We've got a nice digital screen there on the right that currently is displaying the navigation. You know, but there's different settings that we can put up there, right? So that's all there. You've got controls here for the radio and phone, and then we've got some more phone controls, and then this was the switch that I was using to change what's displayed on that screen. Up top we've got paddle shifters, and then I'll move this out of the way. There's your turn signal, voice command, and your cruise control. And on the bottom of the wheel down here, this is power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. So the button's just underneath here. You just pinch it forward or backwards or pull it up or down to move the wheel. And you've got nice carbon fiber inlay there on the dash as well. We've got our analog clock up top with the digital time as well. Here's your media center. So if I go tuner, there's your tuner. AM, FM, Sirius XM, so that's great, that's there. Media, you can do Bluetooth streaming, source, AM, FM, Sirius XM, jukebox, auxiliary, or Bluetooth. You've got phone control. If I go car, you've got some settings for the car. If we go nav, there's the map there, and back home, there's your home. So that's the radio, that's great. And down below we've got lots of controls. So we've got defrost, tail hold descent, AC max. On this side, here's your temperature for your driver, your fan for the driver, the settings for the different ventilation. We've got heated seat, cooled seat. And then down below we've got Sport Plus, we've got suspension control. So this is air suspension, so as I click that, comes up low level switch, low level selected, so it'll lower the vehicle, and I can feel it doing that. We've got traction control off, and then on this side we've got off-road, we've got lane assist, we've got active exhaust. So that'll open valves on the exhaust, and we've got auto start stop. And then up here we've got our temperature and heated and cooled seat for the passenger. We've got our electronic parking brake. We've got a 12-volt socket here. We've got cup holders, and we've got another 12-volt socket USB and line in here. We also have a power sliding sunroof, so I'll just show you that. There it is, opening. And it's a Pano roof that goes all the way back. So we'll go ahead, we'll close that now. Perfect. And there's also a sunshade, so I'll go ahead and hit the sunshade here for you. Close that up. Perfect. And I'll just scan down the buttons here. So you've got your universal garage buttons on the right, some lighting control, parking sensors on and off, and the sunroof buttons are there as well. So we'll just hop out with it running and have a look and a listen. Good sounding machine. There it is from the front. Looks great. And we'll just scan down this side. There we are. folks, 2017 Porsche MAcan GT-S in jet black metallic here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.